In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to log into your Spectrum router and secure it. First, connect your computer to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a browser and type the router's IP address into the address bar. If you don't know it, try 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 as common defaults. When the login page appears, enter the default username and password from the router sticker. Defaults are often admin and password, but always verify the sticker for exact credentials. After logging in, open the Wireless or Wi-Fi Settings tab to view your network details. Change the SSID and choose a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password for your network. Next, update the admin password to something unique and save your changes. If you can't log in, try rebooting the router and clearing your browser cache first. Still locked out, then press the reset button for 10 seconds, then reconfigure from defaults. Quick checklist: verify connection, try default IPs, reboot, reset, and contact Spectrum support if needed.